Moved into the middle bit, isn't it? There you go, 2.
Oh, where was that?
2.
After all the screaming, the last stop. We've had
They were screaming. We weren't screaming.
How are you? Hello. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Oh yeah, we get drinks as well.
Because I'm just...
I'll have that one.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's all right. We can bounce.
No help, was he?
What?
Oh, he's not getting the table actually. Last time, we got the table out. Yeah, it goes on there, look. It's not a limit.
Look, they're too ready in the front of the queue.
Yeah, I know.
Take your photo.
Oh, who's the alcoholic in the group?
Don't you have a one next to you?
Oh, God. I was going to go to the toilet, but I wanted to make sure you lot were all over there, and he wasn't having his camera on. He's got his camera. You've got to have...
Spot another elephant.
Oh my god, that's incredible. That is incredible.
That's okay.
Yeah, one's coming behind us.
Oh, that's incredible.
Just sucking through.
I was just wondering, they're just so scoffing.
You're going to be closer to this one. You see how they're looking at you now. You can trust this thing, man.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Thank you. The armour tea's out.
How'd you take very much?
The power went off.
There he is at 5:15 in the morning.
Bloody
And
annoying.
what a surprise, Jane's on the phone.
Checking the news.
No, I think it's sisters. I think it's sisters. Rich person's come here, take the kids, jumped here for a couple of days. Vince, I'm surprised you didn't find out.
She's definitely...
For a photo stop.
Oh, they're going towards in front of us.
He's gone. Now they're going to disappear now, shortly.
This way. No. It's not a cat. Well, it's a cat.
Well, yeah, it is.
Yeah, they're off.
Look at giraffes.
Amazing.
Slightly older, not that long.
Shut off all of
Not
them.
that long.
Yeah.
Wow. Camera, why don't you get your camera?
And joined by zebra.
He's a pointer, Dave.
He does like a good point.
It's not me this time, it's Vince. Blimey.
Oh, that bloody area. No, they're not. I'm way behind you.
This is why I don't
Hello, darling. It's like Jurassic Park.
Come on, giraffe.
Yeah, they will walk past if they need to touch a space.
Okay.
Amazing.
We'll move back a bit, they need space apparently.
There's 3.
There's another one.
The Pachara group.
And another one.
Yeah.
4th one. Oh, yeah, cool.
Oh my God, this day doesn't get any better. Does it?
I saw it
I said
also.
that. I said I didn't think today could get any
Oh,
better.
I just
but
want to
this is
cry
just-
now.
This is just absolutely unbelievable. Everybody in.
When you're ready, when you had enough. Yeah, not meaning any harm.
I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it.
You don't get
Any better, is it?
Otherwise,
doesn't
gonna
get
start
any
change there with the cloud.
Got this in here, Joe.
Oh, yeah, there's a built on this.
That's a female in front.
It's stunning. She's leading the pack. Little male at the back.
That's the one we remember. That's shorter than the other.
It does, doesn't it?
It's like the winter here. You see the winters here. It's the winter that once we close up.
I need to be like from here to this sort of bush, and I'm going to get a good.
It just drop down. Just drop down and then fly lower. Like that, the black one that you just saw, the black crown chakra.
Where's it, Brian? You said that just as
Many
the
times
camera
we've
went
tried to
past.
take a photo of it, but just go.
Brian.
Spider.
Oh,
Spider.
I thought he's just happy pointing.
Spider
Cricket.
right behind you. You walk
Spider.
into it.
No, mine's spider's web.
What's your grass
One the snake.
Spider.
Sorry, they have no invite.
We've got no space.
Could you imagine poor people putting up with us?
Give them their refund then.
Are you like herding us or something?
Give them their refund. And the thing is, I'm worried about them. If they could have fit to the system.
They're not so good at all.
No,
You look at the phone and you think I really
See
like
the
that.
third
and
one
then-
from the back. 2 big ticks there.
Excuse me, did you see mine?
Yeah, which way the lawn
That's a big bucket. It's already in the reserve, you can see it.
Yeah. It's moved into the middle bit, isn't it? There you go, 2.
Oh, where was that?
2. Brian, that would have got that.
Yeah, it would have.
2 there.
Yeah. Yeah, oh, it's on wide, so.
Oh, 3 elephants.
In the car.
3 elephants.
3 elephants.
I wouldn't worry.
Oh. Good luck.
You got damn pass.
No, I shouldn't have.
There it is there. Oh. Say birds are dry.
I think the guys at the back are too dry, Sia.
Which one?
The guys sitting at the back.
They're too dry.
Yeah, they're too dry.
Oh, at the back they got cover.
They're not like
So that is one advantage.
See, did you think the radio had exploded?
Hey, you're touching a rhino on the thunderstorm. You know, I'll track that thing. Yeah, that was a strong one. Nambiti is excellent. So I can get off the signal.
Yeah. Don't hold the radio. Oh, look at him. He's beautiful.
Oh, I didn't
You
get
big
your
wuss.
picture. Stop for your picture.
Oh.
Enjoyed it.
That's so funny.
That was hilarious. Absolutely hilarious.
Cool.
Nice photo.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Morning. What when we got up anyway?
Yeah, I was going to go up at 4:30
Morning.
Here they are, they're travellers.
Oh, no, we.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Brilliant.
Saw a lion kill.
Lion kill, yeah.
Oh, did you? A lion actually kill something, or?
No, they
Eating it.
Oh, okay.
They killed it
Alright,
last
take
a bit earlier on.
Yeah, sorry. Let's get this right.
You know where we were yesterday, where we came down the hill and we stopped at that bit where we had all the wildebeest and that.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, that's just
round to the left.
not far from here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Seen the hippos in the water?
Yeah.
Well, you saw them just
Yeah, you see like their ears and the top of their heads, don't
top
you?
of their heads, yeah.
Yeah.
And their ears.
No, good. Seen all sorts of different stuff again today.